Hey there. Okay, so my nail area is very much a total mess, and I need to get it together. I really am just running out of space, but I always make it do. I'm trying to think of a new creative way that's space saving and that I can like condense all my stuff together. But for now, I'll work with what I got. So I need to clean up my nail area today, or not today. I need to clean up my nail area, and also I got a new nail board. The one I have is broken, and I'm kind of running out of space. So it's like a little nail board box. I picked this up from, I think I got it from Temu, and it opens. It opens up so I'll be able to put nails on both sides, and it closes and I feel like it'll break less. It'll be easier not to break, if that makes sense. But just to show the current state, and it's a mess. Hold on. So this is what it's looking like. It's looking crazy. I have all my stuff everywhere. Get this back organized, get this table cleaned off so I can start working when I need to. A few nail colors that I keep right here. So I usually keep my Madam Glam at the top and then my DNS on the second shelf. And then these are just like some random gel colors that I got from Amazon when I first started, where they're like mini bottles, but they're a lot and they get the job done. And then I usually keep my nail stand right there. Okay, so the top is, like I said, chrome colors. I have some, what are these called? Like pigment powder, some drill bit, some gold flakes, fulls in here. That's mainly all that's in here. Some chrome powders, some Aurora chrome powders. Keep them in here. It's a lot of them. Pretty. Then in this drawer, it's like all nail charms, nail jewels. These are some gloves. But that's really all that I keep in here. I need to start using these more because they're piling up. And I need to get rid of some of this stuff. Cute little stars. Cute little flakes. All of my little jewels that I have. Then in the bottom drawer, I got some mica powder. Some just random nail stuff. Some my FX solution. I need to do this. I bought all the stuff to like do the what are they called? I don't even remember what it's called. Like marbling nails. It's called something though. Nail ink. I bought all the stuff to do and I haven't even done the design yet. These are just some gel paints, extra files. So that's really what's in that drawer. Okay. Then up here, I bought this just because I was running out of space over there on the other wall. So these are my little gel inks and I haven't used them yet. But all the different colors right here. These are like my main things that I use a lot, like top coats, primers, things like that. These are some more little nail inks. These are Aurora or cat eye polishes right here. These are cat eye polishes. And then these are just like some basic colors that I got from Shein. Jellies. The rest of these are just regular. This is my little airbrush right here. Some acrylic liquid. And then some random things. Just some random things thrown in. This top drawer is kind of like miscellaneous things. Like brushes and tape and little puffer packages if I do send some nails off to someone. The middle drawer is all of my nail tips. And I went through and organized each one. So I see like what you can see right there. It has like what's inside. And then if I open up, it has like my sizes right here. And then this is just like what it's labeled as on the website. And then the bottom drawer is just like acrylics that I don't use. Okay, so that's like a mini little tour of what I have in my nail kit. But right now, like I said, I'm about to work on getting this cleaned off. Oh yeah, and this is like these are like my go-to products that I always go to when I do nails, like brushes, certain little tools. I bought these little nail dots because I was trying to, I don't know, I've been trying to think of easy ways to like quickly stick nails on my fingers when I want to shoot content, but I don't want to glue them down. I've gotten a few comments like, they're flooding your cuticles. I'm like, it looks like it's flooding my cuticles in some of the videos because they're not glued down. Like sometimes I'll take some nail putty, which is this right here, and you see it's like very thick, and I just like, it's not even that sticky to where to keep a nail, but I just try to quickly like make them stick and try not to move too much. So they can stay long enough for me to get content. So they lift a little at the cuticle and they make it look like it's not glued down because it's not. So people listen, when I have my nails glued down correctly, they're very flush against my nail. They don't overlap on the cuticle and they look like acrylic. So I just want to throw that out there. I try to keep like a clean white piece of paper because when I do my little overhead nail videos. So this is my current nail board right here. Can't hold it up because some of the nails aren't glued on that well. If you, oop, one just fell, it's not glued on. But this is what it looks like, and of course it's like a big old chip right here. And I just want to redo this to put it in the box. So that's what I'm about to do. It's about to take up all of my little space because these are so chunky. Little layer. Okay, all done. And then this is what it looks like. So I decided to keep these in the nail box. And then I'm going to get rid of these because I'm not really too crazy about any of these. I like that I can close it and then the nails are protected. Then I have like a whole other side. I can carry it with me if I need to carry it. I'm traveling, I want to take my nails with me and I know they're protected and they won't rub it up against anything. I am curious to see how thick the nails will be on the other side and if they'll like create friction between the two. As of now, I don't think they will, but I can see maybe the top one because they're so bulky. Those might create a little bit of issues, but these are so cute. So I can't wait to create some more nails so I can fill this thing all the way up, and when we're all done with it, it'll be so cute. And then of course I need to start wearing some of these so I can get rid of them and then get creative and replace them. But yeah. Okay, I just sat under the dryer for like 15 minutes. I really did like the products. I felt like it had good slip. My hair did feel really moisturized. I think my hair really did like the shampoo and conditioner. And then the treatment balm was really good. So I'm about to wash the deep conditioner out. I sat under the dryer for like 15 minutes. And I'm about to wash it out. And then I'm about to try to do the tension roller. So we'll see how that goes. Give me luck, y'all, because I'm nervous. This is my first time I've done it. And I hope it goes well. If not, I don't know. We'll think of something. I'll think of something if it goes wrong. Okay, this is how my hair is looking. It's feeling moisturized. It's feeling good. These are the rollers. This is not really about to be an in-depth tutorial because this is my first time. I don't really know what I'm doing. But I have these TikToks that I save. Okay, I think I got it down pretty good. So the key is to make sure your hair is like really, well, I think the key is, we'll see when we take it out. But I'm just making sure, and I'm not putting anything but water, and I put some heat protectant. But I'm combing my hair through, making sure that it is really detangled. So like smooth, no kinks. And then hold it tight, and then you want to take the roller, wrap the hair around, and then kind of use your finger to smooth it down. but keep it very tight. All right, so this is what it looks like. It wasn't too bad. So I'm definitely in for the rest of the evening. Probably going to straighten up. I need to straighten up my bathroom. I need to redo my closet. But I always get in the mood to do everything, and I can't do everything in one night. So I don't know. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for a little bit, probably watch some TV, and then have a chill night in. So okay, I almost forgot to get my camera out and start recording, but I was gonna sleep in them, but I decided to take them out just because I know I will not be able to sleep. But they're coming out so cute. I was scared they wouldn't be dry, but I've been under like a little blow dryer attachment for the past like 4 to 5 hours. So they feel dry. They look good. They look good. They're eating. I didn't use any mousse. I just used water. Some girls use mousse. I've seen some where girls don't. Ooh, I feel like that one's wet. Okay, no, it's dry. I'm paranoid. You know how a wet roller set can just derail everything. I was thinking about bumping the roots with a flat iron, but I think that kind of, for me, that kind of defeats the purpose. I'm not trying to get a silk press at the moment, so I'm trying to avoid heat when I can. So I'm gonna just not put heat on the roots. But if I ever do want like a silk press, more type of look, then I'll add flat iron. But this is definitely gonna be one of my go-to hairstyles, especially when the winter comes. This way I won't have to, with this blonde I had, they kind of sacrificed like not straightening as much. Let me count how many rollers it took. It took 23 rollers. I had one more roller on this side than this side. I don't know. It just came out that way. Some spots I see like maybe it was still I didn't like hold it tight right there like I should have. It's giving like silk press though. I'll keep practicing so it won't be like any bumps like right here. But overall, I think this looks good. It's like a good way to stretch your hair out. And I'm talking where I have my retainers in. Good way to stretch your hair out and reduce the contact with the flat iron. Super cute. Alright, I'm about to go to bed.